Regret hit after you clicked buy? No problem. Let's quickly cancel that Stockx order. But timing is crucial, so pay close attention. First things first, head over to stockx.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll want to select buying. This will take you to a page that displays all of your current and past bids and purchases. On the buying page, find the order that you want to cancel. Make sure it is still in pending status. If the order has already been confirmed, the cancellation window has closed. If your order is still in pending status, you should see a clearly labeled cancel button next to it. Click the cancel button. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to cancel the order. If you're absolutely certain, click the button that confirms your cancellation. After confirming the cancellation, you should see a message on the screen confirming that your order has been successfully canceled. The order status will also change to canceled in your buying history. Remember, the window to cancel is very small, so act fast next time.